When it comes to risk assessment, there are often many questions, like what is meant by suitable and sufficient, and what does a good assessment actually look like? So let's start with the basics. The Health and Safety Executive in the United Kingdom have produced a guidance document which outlines the 5 key steps to carrying out an effective assessment. We call this the idea of risk assessment. So firstly, identify the hazards. Ultimately, this is one of the most important steps. And this is because if you haven't identified that a hazard even exists, how can you even begin to assess the level of risk? Secondly, decide who will be harmed and how. It is important to remember at this point that not all hazards affect all people in the same way. Thirdly, you will need to evaluate the level of risk. Take into consideration the likelihood of harm and the resulting severity. And next, record the findings that are significant. Finally, set a date for review based on the overall level of risk, your own internal organisational requirements, and that's the 5 steps completed. In the next section, we will address the issue of what is meant by suitable and sufficient.